Hi everyone. So in this sections, I'll show you that how I'll create, how to convert, right? How to convert, uh, how to convert Python, that CSV format, okay? CSV to Excel through Pythons, okay? So we have this CSV reports, and I would like to convert in Excel through Python with some changes, okay? So with changes like header value, all those things. So through that, so first I have written already code in Python, and you can see, right? So you have written, so you have import that library, Pandas and open PSQL and import load workbook. Once it is done, we have take a read file. So in this desktop, we have a report.csv. You can see over here, right? So we have a report.csv files, and the same on the desktop itself we are saving that report in after converting in excels with a new name, so new report in excel formats. Index is equal to none and header is equal to false, okay? If I'll give the header is equal to true, we'll get some change value, we'll say that, okay? Then we take again, we are loading the new workbook and taking the seats as a workbook active and changing the header value as per the requirements, okay? So just like this is the reports is coming from exchange AD server, and we are trying to convert in CSV because on AD Excel cannot be installed. So let's run this, okay? So let me, okay, so that's fine. So let's run this. So so uh so script has done now. So you can see, right? So you can see, right? If I'll take this, so you can see that user full name, employee address, email address, user type, authorization groups, all those things, okay? It was converted, okay? It got converted. So this is the way you can convert uh, CSV to Excel, okay? And if I'll take header is equal to true, let's check now what is happening. I'll take header is equal to true, and if I'll run this, so let me delete this new report, don't save it. So let me delete this report and let me run again, okay? So it's executed. If I'll open to new report, you can see, right? Okay, nothing. So you can see, so this is the way we can get the data, okay? So there's nothing getting changed, okay? So this is the way you can write that. You can use the converter. You can convert that CSV format to Excel formats. That's it, guys.